Hello and welcome to yet another episode of the weekly roundup. This is your principal, Dr. Prema Muralidharan, all set to give you the weekly update. This week at the Royal Academy was a week full of celebrations, awareness and colorfulness. This week commenced with the girls of 5 to 12 assembly on global warming and the boys' World Hand Washing Day, where students presented thoughtful reflections on sustainability and responsible living. Their confident performances and meaningful messages set a purposeful tone for the week. Our primary students added charm and creativity through their healthy food celebration. They carried colorful food that matched their attire, just like our vibrant red and yellow days, making this event both educational and joyful. Not to miss our kindergarten toddlers who joined the World Food Day awareness, bringing healthy homemade food and enjoying a few special moments of sharing and learning together. A proud highlight of the week was felicitating our school cricketers for their exceptional performance at the ECB Softball Cricket Festival, where they secured the second place, bringing honor and pride to Royal Academy. The week continued with Pinktober celebrations, beginning with the breast cancer awareness session by our primary children. The event featured parent participation, a school band welcome, expressive messages from stakeholders, and certificates of appreciation for supportive families, where our girls pledged to donate their hair, a gesture of compassion and community spirit in line with the UAE Year of Community. Moving on to some more updates, the Islamic department beautifully complemented the week with their enrichment programs, sharing narratives of the prophets that inspired students with lessons of faith, resilience, and humility. And with that, we end this weekly update with a feeling of pride and purpose, a shining reflection of the Royal Academy spirit. Thank you.